Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. So today's move, whatever happened today after 2 p.m., I was really not expecting this kind of move. In fact, I was expecting some kind of consolidation on the downside after receiving a bad news in US in terms of inflation data and interest rate. But whatever I thought, opposite is happening, right? So I thought market would come down, drift on the downside, which this price action confirmed, but today market rallied on the opposite side, and in fact Nifty touched lifetime high, right? We touched lifetime high and we came down around 200 points. Now what is going to happen, or what is going to be the next thing, is a $1 million question. I think we may go on the higher side still, but still our positions are not squared off. We had some short positions. As you know, I always short the market and try to make money shorting the market. And despite market going on the higher side, still I have some short position and it is all intact. I'm not squaring off any position. So we'll see how things pan out. That is my perspective about the market. Now, if it comes down, we will try to manage. If we'll try to make a good profit, if it goes on the higher side, we will try to manage our position, right? See, whether you are bearish in the market or whether you are bullish in the market doesn't matter, but you will have to have position, or you will have to know how to manage if it travels in opposite direction. And let me tell you, most of the time I have taken some position. It has moved on the opposite direction, and we have managed, and we have efficiently managed, or we have tried to manage those positions, and we have made good profit. So what I'm trying to say is, most of the time I've been wrong, but making mistake is not a big deal, right? You make mistakes so that you can learn more. That is what I'm trying to say. See, I'm not trying to I'm not trying to tell I'm not trying to tell that I failed, but this is how markets are working and this is how markets will work. And many people were saying that market will go on the higher side, and I was the one who told market is going on the downside, will go on the downside. But anyway, we have managed our position and we will see how things pan out on Monday. But as of now, everything is bullish. And that's what is surprising me. In spite of bad news, in spite of Federal Reserve coming out and saying that they are going to increase the interest rate twice in the coming months, still market wants to go on the higher side. US futures are all in the green, and so it is super bullish, right? Everybody is super bullish. Europe is in the green. US futures are all in the green. So everybody is bullish in the market. And in spite of all this bad news, right? So if there is any good news, what would happen, right? That is what I'm thinking. In spite of so many bad news, market is moving on the higher side. In spite of inflation, in spite of blah, 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 everything, market is moving on the higher side. Means if there is no bad news and everything is okay, means what would happen? We would have touched, maybe Bank Nifty would have touched 50,000, right? So anyway, we will talk about that in a different video. Today, FIIs and DIIs both are net buyers. FIIs have bought for 794 crores and DIIs have bought for 681 crores. So that is the reason, why the market has gone on the higher side. Nifty moved around 200 plus point, but all in a day, in open to close basis, if you say, Nifty has moved around 150 points. It opened at 18,700, high was 18,863, and Bank Nifty was almost traveled 600 points. Open was around 43,500, high was around 44,000. So 44,000 is a stiff resistance, and Bank Nifty came on the downside. So we'll see how things pan out. I think market may go on the higher side, or market after touching lifetime high might come on the downside, right? So that is what I believe. See, I am always a bearish guy. Don't think I am always a bearish guy or I am talking always negative. I am telling my perspective about the market, right? Even though I tell my perspective about the market, we have made profit. You might think I'm always talking negative or I'm talking positive. It doesn't matter, right? But what matters is, are we making, end of the day, are you profitable or not? We have a complete PNL or complete playlist with all the PNL videos for the last 10 years. You can go and check. We have been profitable. You people say I am negative, but we have been profitable all these years is what I want to say you. Now, what is going to happen on Monday? We'll come to the market. Now, what if the market gaps down on Monday, right? Is there a possibility of gap down? There is possibility of gap down. Why it cannot gap down? Because after touching lifetime high, after rallying so much, so if you see Bank Nifty, let me change this to a monthly time frame. What you will see is that Bank Nifty has rallied so much, right? For since June, it has gone, yeah, since June, if you see June series, it has gone from 40,000 to almost, we are sitting at 44,000, almost 3,000 points rally in Bank Nifty. And if you see Nifty on a monthly chart, we have rallied where from around April, or let's say April, May, we have gone from 17,200 all the way till 18,900, more than 2,000, 1,500 points rally. Now it may come down or it may go, it may come down. If it comes down, I'm going to be making good profit, is what I'm trying to say. So still, that's what I'm saying you. Still, we have, for one or other reason, I'm not going long in this market. I'm holding, still I'm holding some short position. So if the market is going to come down, we are going to make money. So that all depends. This all depends whether I'm going to make money or not. Depends in the US futures. So US futures are all in the green. Yesterday it rallied. Yesterday US future rallied more than 400 points. Day before yesterday it came down by 200 or 300 points. So today we will see how US market closes. Then we may have a good, maybe if it gaps down or if it consolidates, we'll be having good time, right? I'll be having good time. So that's what I'm trying to say. So we'll see how things pan out. They know something, that's why they have been buying in huge quantity. Maybe they know something we don't know, is what I think. So completely screwed today. That I have to agree. Whether I'm in profit or not, I was completely screwed. And this 2 p.m. move, after this movement, I was, since so many accounts, we have to keep on jumping and pumping so many orders, and ended up somewhat we were able to manage our trades, and we are holding our trades. We'll see how things pan out. I don't think there is anything much to talk. Markets are all hitting lifetime high. So it is all good news. So as you expected, as people expected, market is going on the higher side. So there should be nothing much to talk. So I thought today morning video, I told that this might be a trap. But what is happening? It is actually trapped us. It is trapping me, right? It is not trapping you, or maybe it is trapping. We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see it till Monday. But as of now, it is trapping me, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Until then, I'll see you in yet another video. Seeing open interest is of no use, because exactly opposite of yesterday is happening in terms of open interest. Huge number of puts being returned from 18,800 to 18,700 to 18,500. In fact, 18,700 is having huge number of put options. And in terms of Bank Nifty, what we can see is huge number of puts are being returned from 43,700 all the way till 43,000, 43,500. So every Tom, Dick and Harry is writing put option in this market. So we'll see how things pan out. I'll sign off today. Tomorrow is a weekend. We'll come out with some video. Till then, take care. Bye.